price products, but about saving people money on health products. And we are just starting. We are just starting with health products. Sabi ko nga kanina, magiging dadami at dadami at dadami ang ating mga produkto. And I'm sure, because yun na nga, yun ang sinimulan ni Live Good, and I believe that Live Good will continue doing that. We will be offering those products, these products, and all the coming products at very affordable prices. Bakit? Kasi tinatanggal na natin yung overpricing. Yung tinatawag nating price gouging. Kasi hindi nyo po masisisi yung ibang company. That's how they are used to in doing business. Yun yung traditional way. Talagang sa products kinakarga yung mga kailangan nilang gastusin, pangbayad ng office, pangbayad ng country manager, ng mga staff, even those on top of the compensation plan. Yung mga nag-earn ng 1 million a month, 2 million a month, 3 million a month, palagay nyo sa ibang companies ang kinukuha yon sa price po ng mga products. And since they have to push the product, they have to make the product move, ano ginagawa nila? They're forcing their distributors to buy their products. Ang tawag ko po dyan, ginigisa yung mga distributors sa sarili nilang mantika. And that's not a good practice. That's why Live Good wants to put a stop to that. We want to put a stop to that, to this price gouging MLMs. Okay? Kaya ayan, David and Goliath. Tayo si David, maliit pa lang tayo kasi 1 taon pa lang tayo. Yet, sa laki po ng sa laki ng growth natin, sa bilis ng growth natin, damang-dama na ng mga giants yung ating presence. Okay, but we're telling them the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. This time, everybody wins. Okay, and in Live Good, everybody wins. All right. Now, to show you some of our products, siguro pinili ko lang yung mga favorite ko, no? Ito po. Super Red. Super Reds is very well known for its yung cardiovascular system natin kasi vasodilator siya, meron siyang nitric oxide. Ang maganda po, pag maganda ang ating blood flow, lahat ng nutrients and oxygen na deliver to the very smallest cell of our body. So our body would be functioning at its optimum. Okay? Pero check out nyo po yung price. Ito po yung ating competitors. Other brands are offering almost the same product. Yun nga lang, mas maganda yung sa atin. At $39.95, $69.99. In Live Good, if you buy it at retail, you still get, you'll buy it only for $24. But if you become a member, you only need to pay $18. You see, ang laki ng difference pagdating sa pricing. Pagdating din sa quality, ang taas ng quality natin. Alright? Another product is collagen peptides. Ito po ang maganda. Sa ibang produkto kasi, collagen lang talaga ang laman. Pero yung ating genius na product formulator, dinagdagan pa ng 3 ingredients that complements the effect of collagen to our body, thus making it even better than other brands. But look at the price. $79.96, $69.95 for other brands. Sa atin at retail, $34.95. Pag member ka, $27.95. Imagine that. Ganyan po kababa yung presyo natin. Another favorite product of mine, Factor 4. Ito naman, anti-inflam. Ang ganda po ng ingredients niya, talagang all the ingredients are very effective anti-inflammatory. Why is it good? Kasi halos lahat po ng diseases ng katawan natin nagsisimula sa pamamaga or inflammation. Pag naging chronic yan, it even leads to serious diseases like cancer. Okay? So yan po, para maiwasan natin yung mga seryosong sakit, mag-factor 4 po tayo. At napaka-mura po niyan. Sa ibang companies, they're offering a similar product for $58.42 or $56. Sa atin po at retail, it's $24.95. Pero if you're a member, you only need to pay $18.50. Alright? Ngayon, if you're really serious about looking after your health, yung sabi nga yung increasing your health span and as well as your lifespan, I suggest that you take the International Wellness Pack. Pinagsama-sama po, 6 na produkto na essential sa ating everyday needs. Everyday nutrition, kailangan po natin to. And look at the price. For member, you only need to pay $89.95, nothing more. Bakit? Kasi it comes with free shipping. If you're buying it at retail, $129.95 lang po. Pero may 6 na produkto na kayo. 6 na produkto na kakailanganin nyo araw-araw. Alright? Now, those are just some of the products of Live Good. But if you want to know more about the products of Live Good, you can visit livegood.com. And then dun sa products, dun sa products, meron mga learn more buttons doon on each product. You can click on that and read as much as you want about the products, and you'll see that all of our products are really of good quality. All right? So you have seen it. Nakita nyo, may members price, may retail price, mas mababa si members price kahit mas mababa na si retail price compared to other brands. So maybe your question now is how to become a member. Kasi nga you want to have the value of being a member. You're willing to pay the membership fee just to be able to get that discount, right? So, simple lang po. You pay $9.95 a month subscription. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, $99.95 a year and you'll be covered for 12 months. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. All right. And as Live Good member, you'll save up to 75% compared to products in other direct selling companies, which is true. Nakita nyo naman. Hindi po sinungkit lang kung saan yung mga presyong pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Talagang those are the available prices in the market. All right? Now, as Live Good members, you get to enjoy discount. Yun yung value na matatanggap mo when you pay your $9.95 subscription. Yung value, yung discount or yung low prices ng mga high quality products natin. Pero yan ba yung magpapayaman sa iyo? Well, it can make you earn because $1 saved is $1 earned. If you're really using supplements naman talaga, mag-switch brand ka lang, tapos yung masisave mo, earnings mo na yon. You can use it to pay for your bills or pwede mong pandagdag sa matrikula ng mga anak mo. Di ba? However, to really earn a lot, in fact, here you could actually earn more. The question now is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung or more tsaka yung per month. Kasi dito po, pwedeng mangyari yan. At nakita na po namin, those who, us na nandito na ngayon, affiliate members already who's been with the company for quite some time, nakita na po namin yung mga kitaan na ganyan. Alright? So for those interested, stay until the end of the presentation kasi ito na. It becomes even more exciting. And I'm so excited, I need to drink water muna. Alright. All right. Now, question. How? Di ba? Yun yung first question dyan eh. Okay, so how? How do we earn from that? Well, you have to enter our affiliate program. Okay? Just to give you an idea, si Live Good po kasi hindi yan nag-a-advertise. Hindi siya nag-a-advertise sa radio, sa TV, sa movies, sa billboards, not even in the internet. They're not spending money for advertisement. So, however, as a company, kailangan malaman sila ng maraming tao. Excuse me. So, how do they do that? They do that through words of mouth ng mga affiliate members. Tayo po. Tayo yung magiging referring partner ni Live Good. Tayo yung magpo-promote kay Live Good sa mga kakilala natin, kamag-anak natin, ka-churchmate natin, ka-office mate, ka-schoolmate, at kung anong kakakaka pa. Kahit hindi natin kakilala, ipopromote natin si Live Good. Because as an affiliate member, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, so just to recap, paano ba yung affiliate marketing? Unang-una, mag-join ka. And once you become an affiliate member, then you can start promoting. Ano yung promoting? Kailangan ba mag-ads ka? No. Kwento lang po. Ikikwento mo yung value na na-receive mo, yung discount, yung savings na nagawa mo, pati na yung earnings mo, ikwento mo sa kanila. and yung personal development mo. How Live Good has changed your life. And when you have successful referrals to Live Good, that's the time you earn. Alright? So how do you become an affiliate member? Simple lang po. I'm sure that somebody gave you this link to be here in Live Good in this presentation. Ask for their sponsors link. Kasi doon po kayo magre-register with your first name, last name, and email. Okay? And then dire-diretso na po. When you reserve your position, pwede na po kayong magbayad. Magkano babayaran natin? You pay a one-time fee of $40 plus the first month subscription of $9.95. Diyan po nanggaling yung $49.95. Magkano po yan? Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yan. Alright? And since one time lang yung $40, the following month, you only need to pay $9.95. And months thereafter, yun lang ang babayaran mo. Hindi nyo na po babayaran uli yung $40. Talagang $9.95 na lang. Kung gusto nyo makatipid, $99.95. You're covered for 12 months. Nakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. Alright? So what do you get out of your $49.95? Unang-una po, wala tayong products na binebenta dito. What we're offering you is a position or a slot in the affiliate program. Okay? So number one, since you pay for $9.95, you become a member of Live Good, you have the access to the Live Good membership club, whereby you get to enjoy the value of every member. Yung low prices, yung discounts, yan yung makukuha mo, yung savings. Alright? And then, since affiliate member ka, Live Good knows that you're going to promote Live Good to your friends, so i-equip ka niya. Bibigyan ka niya ng digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. In fact, itong Zoom meeting na to, this is one of the tools you can actually use and abuse. Kung bago kayo, hindi pa kayo marunong masyado sa Live Good, dalhin nyo lang po dito yung invites nyo. Kami magpe-present, kami magpo-close. Kanino yung account sa inyo. Alright? At ang pinakamaganda dito, as an affiliate member, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, as I would term it, the most generous compensation plan. Mamaya po makikita nyo how generous the company is to us, sa mga affiliate members niya. Okay. So just to show you, ano ba yung mga i-expect nating digital marketing tools? Ayan po. We will have, actually right now, we have 5 websites already. 5 replicated websites where you would have your name on it. Okay? Ano-ano yan? Yung una, nasa may upper left, that would be your business site. Diyan mo i-monitor yung galaw sa business mo. Diyan mo makikita yung mga taong na-refer mo. Di ba magre-refer tayo ng tao dito? People whom you successfully refer, people na na-refer nila, people na na-refer nung na-refer nila, at na-refer and so on. Okay? Bakit importante yan? Kasi dito sa Live Good, you'll not just be paid by your effort, you could actually leverage on the effort of your whole team. Okay? And then ano pa, ito yung nasa upper right naman, yung ating Live Good Tour. Yan naman po yung tinatawag naming landing page. Diyan po nagre-register yung mga invites nyo should they decide to be part of Live Good. Diyan na rin po, dire-diretso na yan. Diyan na rin sila magbabayad. Okay? Pag diyan sila nag-register, by the way, yung URL address niyan is livegoodtour.com/username. Pag dyan sila nag-register, sa Live Good Tour mo sila nag-register, that means they belong to your organization. Alright? And then ito namang shop, para siyang Shopee at Lazada, nasa lower left. Para siyang Shopee at Lazada, pero may pangalan mo. Tsaka ang ino-offer lang po dyan, Live Good products. Yan naman yung ibibigay mo dun sa mga tao na ayaw mag-member pero gusto yung products. Kasi dyan makikita nila yung mga products natin at retail price. At since mababa pa rin yung ating retail price, definitely they would be willing to change brands. Okay? Ang maganda niyan, when they shop using your shop, then definitely you would receive commission. Okay? Ngayon, originally, yan lang po yung 3 available. Pero ngayon, nadagdagan pa ng 2 yung ating product pages like Super Red, Super Greens. And soon, lalabas na po yung isang magnesium, yung magnesium page natin. Mga landing pages din po yan. Alright? So ayan po. With that, you would be ready to earn money doing Live Good. So the question now is how to make money in subscription. Kasi nga subscription business tayo. Paano ka kumita sa $995 na subscription? Okay? So listen tight because I'm about to discuss to you now the compensation plan. Now, to further discuss the compensation plan, you have to remember two structures. Kasi yung compensation plan natin is powered by two structures. The unilevel structure and the force matrix structure. Unahin natin yung unilevel. Si unilevel po, di ba sabi ko magre-refer kayo dito? So the person whom you would directly refer to Live Good, they would fall on your level 1. Lahat sila, kahit 10 sila, 100, unlimited yan eh. Pwedeng may 1,000 successful referral ka, they would all fall on your level 1. Now, should they decide to do the business and refer other people to Live Good, lahat ng marirefer nila would be on your level 2. At lahat ng marirefer nung na-refer nila would be on your level 3. Lahat ng marirefer nung na-refer and so on. Hanggang level 10 po yan. Bakit level 10? Kasi you get to be paid up to level 10 depending on your rank. Alright? Ngayon, tandaan nyo po yan because mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung may mga ways to earn kasi na yan yung gagamitin to compute. Okay? Ano naman tong force matrix? Force matrix, the moment you join in Live Good, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. So, andyan, for example, ayan yung matrix mo, ikaw yung nasa taas. Pero you would belong to a giant matrix, meaning may mga tao pang nasa taas mo. Okay? This is important. May mga tao pang nasa taas mo. Okay? Now, what the system will do, kasi system assigned yung mga taong mailalagay dito sa matrix, ang i-assign niya lang kada tao dalawa. So let's say for example, ikaw, naka-direct sponsor ka ng 4 na tao. Yung first 2 na direct sponsor mo, ilalagay sa ilalim mo. And then that's it. Now, ang tanong mo, paano yung dalawa pa? Ilalagay yon dun sa mga ilalim ng nasa ilalim mo. Spill over mo na sa kanila yon. Okay? Tulungan system tayo dito pagdating dito sa matrix. Okay? So, nabanggit ko, kaya ako nabanggit na may tao pa sa harap mo kasi sila, if they're doing the business, chances are you would also receive spillovers from them. Okay? So, paano napupuno yung matrix? Simple lang po. From your direct referrals, from spillover dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo, or kung yung mga taong na direct refer mo dito started to do the business, lahat po ng ipapasok nila would still fall in your matrix. Okay? I hope that's clear. And ganun lang po yan, power of 2. Yung first level mo, 2 lang yung nakabit sa'yo, 2. And then second level, 4. And then 8, 16, 32, all the way to 15 levels because you get to be paid up to 15 levels deep. All right? So ano-ano ba yung ways to earn dito? We actually have 7 ways to earn. We have the weekly fast start and the retail commission. Pareho po yan, ang ginagamit is the unilevel to compute. And then we also have the matrix commission. Yan naman po yung force matrix ang gagamitin. Kung napansin nyo, meron tayong matching bonus sa gitna kasi yan parang hybrid. Kino-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix just to be able to compute for that compensation. And when I discuss that later, makinig po kayo maigi kasi yan po yung magpapayaman sa inyo, yung matching bonus na yan. We still have other ways to earn like influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Okay, isa-isahin natin. The fastest way to earn here in Live Good is the weekly fast start bonus 10 levels deep. Kaya siya tinawag na fast start kasi ang bilis niyang kitain. Alright? Paano ba yan? So remember, when you join Live Good, nagbayad ka ng $49.95 to become an affiliate member, right? And then you start promoting Live Good to others. Now, pag merong successfully ma-sponsor ka dito or ma-refer ka to Live Good, meaning lahat sila magbabayad din ng $49.95, 50% mapupunta sa iyo or $25 will be given to you as your fast start bonus. Okay? In this example, 4 yung na-refer mo, may tagta $25 ka, that's a total of $100. Question, kailan mo matatanggap yan? Okay, meron tayong weekly cutoff which is every Thursday, US time. So dito sa Philippines, mga Friday afternoon yan. Okay? Lahat na mapapasok mo anytime from now until cutoff, matatanggap mo yung fast start mo the following Thursday. Okay? We're clear on that. So maghihintay ka lang ng isang linggo, matatanggap mo na. Kaya siya tinawag na fast start and weekly. Okay? Kasi ang bilis niyang kitain, tsaka ang bilis niyang matanggap. Alright. Ang maganda nito, hindi ka limited dun sa mga sarili mong nai-sponsor. Kumbaga yung personal na trinabaho mo, yes, may kita ka na. Pero if you start to rank up or to be promoted to higher ranks, you get to enjoy or you get to enjoy leverage. Ano yung leverage? Trabaho na ng ibang tao pero pinagkakakitaan mo pa rin. Bakit? Let's say for example, naging bronze ka dito. You get to enjoy up to level 2. Ano yung level 2? Sabi ko kanina, sila yung invites or mga sponsor ng mga ini-sponsor mo. Meaning, hindi mo na trabaho yan. Hindi mo na nga kilala minsan yan eh. Pero pag may pinasok yung direct sponsor mo, meron ka pang matatanggap doon, $5 if you're already a bronze. Pag nag-level up o pag na-promote ka to silver, you get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, up to levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to levels 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. At ang maganda nga niyan, hindi mo nakilala yan. Yung nasa level 2 nga lang, hindi mo nakilala eh. Yung nasa level 10 pa. And when you're already a diamond, talagang magugulat ka na lang, ha? Wala naman akong ginawa. Bakit ako merong weekly fast start bonus? Kasi those people under you are still working, continuously doing the business. Alright? Now, eto, uulitin ko na naman na unlimited yung pwede mong i-direct sponsor dito. So just imagine how many levels 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to levels 10 meron ka kung gaano karami yung mga direct sponsor mo rito. Alright. So since I already mentioned about ranking up, let me go through it briefly para mapakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kabilis or kadali mag-promote dito. Alright? So unang-una, when we join LiveGood as an affiliate member, we start as unranked. Ano yung unranked? Yan yung mga wala pa na direct sponsor or meron man isa lang. Okay? Kasi to be bronze, kailangan mo dalawang personally enrolled. Okay? So the moment you have 2 personally enrolled, you're already bronze, meaning you get to enjoy up to level 2 already of your fast start bonus. And the next level would be silver. To be promoted to silver, you need 10 personally enrolled or 3 direct bronze ranks with 20 active members. I want you to check on this. Kasi dito, tulungan system, people helping people business. One way for you to be promoted is when you help yung mga dinala mo rito to be promoted themselves from unranked, pag naging bronze sila at meron kang 20 active members, silver ka na. Or magano ka pa, magdagdag ka pa ng mga direct referrals. Alright? And then next promotion would be gold level. Sa gold naman, you need 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver rank with 100 active members. Okay, don't be overwhelmed by the numbers kasi achievable po yan. In fact, surpassable yan. Ang dami na pong nakasurpass niyang mga levels na yan. Okay, with platinum naman, you need 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold rank with 500 active members. Again, uulit-ulitin ko po, people helping people business tayo. Because when you become a diamond, you need 3 direct platinum rank with 2,500 active members. Again, uulitin ko, don't be overwhelmed kasi achievable po yan. In fact, all over the world, we have over 80 diamond ranks already. Okay, and here in the Philippines, we have over 15, 16 diamonds already. And then crown diamond, our highest rank so far, you need 50,000 active members. And doable po yan. Achievable po yan. In fact, all over the world, may dalawa na po. Our first crown diamond is from the USA and our second crown diamond is our Siya po yung pinaka nag-start dito ng Live Good sa Philippines. Alright? So ayan po, I want you to take a mental picture of this kasi yan po yung magiging goal nating lahat, to rank up, to be promoted to higher ranks. Okay, now let's talk about the monthly matrix commission. Yung iba medyo nai-entice dito kasi in this kind of commission, all you have to do is subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed. Tuloy-tuloy yung pagbayad ng subscription. And then you wait kasi hindi naman to overnight. Okay? And while you wait, darating yung time that you will earn. Okay? In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 here per month without ever enrolling a single person. Papakita ko po sa inyo mamaya kung paano mangyayari yon. Dito po, ang gagamitin natin yung force matrix structure. Doon sa force matrix natin, diniscuss ko na kung paano ka magkakaroon ng tao sa matrix mo. Every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, whether spillover sa'yo ng mga taong nasa taas mo, ikaw mismo ang nagdala, or mga dala ng mga taong napunta sa loob ng matrix mo, they will all form part of your matrix. Kahit saan pa po galing yan, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng 25 cents for every time they pay their subscription of $9.95. Alright? Ang ganda, di ba? Bakit? Kasi monthly naman silang magbabayad talaga ng $9.95. Meaning, monthly ka rin makakatanggap ng 25 cents from Live Good. Okay, baka sabihin mo 25 cents lang pala. Ang liit. But look at this. Ganyan po kasi ang structure ng ating matrix. Let's say for example, you are the orange man and all the blue men under you are the people in your matrix. So yung level 1 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, and so on and so forth. Okay, ganyan po karami ang tao sa matrix natin. In fact, here, in the matrix commission, even if you're unranked, you get to enjoy up to level 12. So imagine, 2, 4, 8, 16, up to level 12, aabot po ng 8,190 yung tao sa matrix nyo. Diyan po nanggagaling, if you multiply that with 25 cents, diyan nanggagaling yung 2,047.50. Okay? Magkano in peso yan? That's more than 114,000 pesos. At monthly income na po yan. Kasi monthly naman magbabayad yung mga tao sa matrix mo ng kanilang subscription of $9.95. Why? Because they receive the value in doing so. Okay? But don't put so much attention on this. Kasi ito po, this is designed for those na hindi makakapag-refer ng tao dito sa or makakapagpasok ng tao sa Live Good. Okay, meaning if in any case hindi ka makapagpasok ng tao dito, kikita at kikita ka pa rin. Ang tanong kung kailan, hindi po natin malaman. All right, it can be soon, pwedeng mabilis lang, pwede ring matagal. Pwedeng sobrang bilis, pwede ring sobrang tagal. Alright? So, depende po yan. Especially if you're really not doing the business and just waiting. Kaya kami, ang recommendation namin dito, continuously share Live Good to other people. Because when you do so, magra-rank up ka rin. At pag nag-rank up ka, let's say you become bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13 of the matrix. Magkano na yon? From 2,047.50, magja-jump na yung matrix income mo to 4,095.50. Alright? Pag nag-golden up to level 14 yung may enjoy mo, magja-jump na naman to 8,191.50 pag napuno na yung matrix. And when you become diamond, ikaw lang yung mag-enjoy up to level 15. Magkano yun? $16,383.50. In peso, that's more than 900,000 pesos monthly income po. Kaya po ganun kaganda talaga yung nagpapapromote to the next rank. Alright? Excuse me. Kaya maganda po talaga nagpapapromote to the next rank. Now, Wag niyo po isipin na kailangan nating hintayin mapuno yung 12 levels bago tayo mag-start mag-earn dito sa Live Good. In fact, every person na mailalagay sa inyo may 25 cents ka. So meaning, pag nagkaroon na ng isang tao sa matrix mo, may 25 cents ka. Pag dalawa na sila, you have 50 cents. Pag 40 ka na sa matrix mo, you're already receiving $10. Question, magkano yung monthly subscription mo? $9.95. Eh since $10 would be repeated month after month after month, that means by the time na may 40 na tao dun sa matrix mo, the business is already paying on its own. Meaning kinukuha mo na lang yung pang-subscription mo dun sa income mo sa matrix income or sa matrix bonus. All right. Now, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, hindi natin malaman kung kailan mapupuno yan, but there is a way para mapabilis mapuno yan. Paano po yun? Simple lang po. The moment you join, on your first week, kumuha ka ng dalawa. Reason, bakit ka kukuha ng dalawa? Para mabalik yung $49.95 na nilabas mo. Pangalawa, para maging bronze ka at aabot ka na ng level 13. Okay? Ano ngayon gagawin mo? Turuan mo yung dalawang kinuha mo na kumuha rin ng dalawa. Yun, same reason na rin yung sabihin mo, para mabalik na yung $49.95 mo, on the first week, kumuha ka ng dalawa. Ganon. So, kukuha sila ng tagalawa. Tapos, turuan mo rin sila magturo doon sa mga kukunin nila kung paano kumuha ng tagalawa. So, get to, teach them to get to, and get to, and get to. And kung tumatakbo na yan mag-isa, ulitin mo lang yung cycle. Okay? So this is what will happen if you get to and you teach them to get to. Una, nag-iisa ka, tapos nadagdagan ng 2, and then nadagdagan ng 4 kasi yung dalawang kinuha mo, kumuha ng tagalawa, and then 8, 16, 32, 64. If this happens weekly and continuously, on the 12th week pa lang po, puno na yung 12 levels mo. You already have 8,190 people in your matrix. That means you're already receiving the $2,000 monthly income. Okay? Eh since bronze ka dyan, all you have to do is wait for another week. Kasi kung tuloy-tuloy yan, on the 13th week, puno na yung 13th level mo. Nasa 4,000 na yung kita mo sa matrix income. Eh kung inuulit-ulit mo pa yan, dinagdagan mo pa yung yung mga direct invites mo, yung mga direct referrals mo, and to the point na umabot ka ng diamond, 15 weeks lang po yung hihintayin nyo, puno na yung matrix nyo as diamond. Diyan na po, matatanggap nyo na po yung 900,000 pesos monthly income on your matrix commission alone. Alright? Ganyan po kaganda kasi dito talaga, this is people helping people business. And it's best for you to do your part just by getting two. Okay? Kung yun lang talaga gusto mo, kumuha ka lang ng dalawa. Pero yung dalawang kinuha mo, turuan mo rin kumuha ng dalawa. Alright? Now, that's about it for the Matrix Commission. Ito na yung pinakamagandang way to earn dito. Yung ating tinatawag na matching bonus. Ano ba yung matching bonus na yan? Remember, when you join, nagkaroon ka ng matrix. Nung nagkaroon ka ng matrix, nagkaroon ka ng matrix income. Therefore, lahat ng pina-join mo rito, magkakaroon din sila ng kanya-kanyang matrix. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon din sila ng kanya-kanyang matrix income. Now, what the company will do, what LiveGood will do, since ikaw yung nakapagpa-join sa kanila, bibigyan ka ni LiveGood ng 50% kung ano man yung kinita nila sa kanilang matrix income. At hindi ko kunin sa kanila yon. They would still receive their matrix income ng buo, dadagdagan lang or ima-match lang nila 50% of whatever that amount and give it to you. Kasi ikaw yung nagdala sa kanila. Alright. Just to give you an example, for example, nakapasok ka ng 4 na tao dito, si A, si B, si C, tsaka si D. Si A nagtrabaho, umabot ng $1,000 yung kanyang matrix income, may 50% ka, 500 sa iyo. Si B, medyo nagtrabaho ng kalahati, may $500 sa kanyang matrix income, may 250 ka. Si C, medyo bago lang, tsaka medyo busy pa sa ibang ginagawa, naka $100 lang sa kanyang matrix, may $50 ka pa rin. Si D naman, 200 yung kanyang matrix income, may $100 matching bonus ka pa rin. But imagine this, 4 lang yung example niyan. What if you have 10? What if you have 100 directs? Lahat yan may kanya-kanyang matrix income. Imagine, ilan yung minamatch mo. Di ba? At ang maganda nito, as you rank up, you don't just get to enjoy on your personally enrolled. Pati dun sa mga in-enroll nila, all the way up to 5 generations, pwede mong i-enjoy when you become diamond. Okay? Kasi pag silver ka, up to second gen ka matching bonus, 10 sila. That's $500 for you. Ngayon, yung 10 kinuha mo, decided to get 10 people each, that's an additional 100 in your team. That's already your second generation. Silver ka na ngayon. Let's say, for example, $100 na lang yung matrix nila. May 10% ka pa. Magkano yon? $10. May 100 sila. That's $1,000 for you. Okay? Yung 100 ngayon, kumuha ng tag sa 10, additional 1,000 in your team. That's already your third generation gold. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila. Meron ka pang 5%. $2.50 na lang yan. 1,000 sila. That's still $2,500. Ngayon, yung 1,000 na bagong sali, kumuha pa ng tagpa 5, that's an additional 5,000 in your team. You're already on your 4th generation platinum. $50 na lang uli kunyari yung matrix nila, may $5 ka pa rin, that's $2.50. 5,000 sila. Magkano yun? That's $12,500. Now, yung 5,000 people na bagong join, naka-join pa rin ng tagpa 5, that's an additional 25,000 in your team. You're already diamond and this is the 5th generation. Let's say $30 na lang yung matrix income nila. May 3% ka. 90 cents yan per head. 25,000 sila. That's $22,500 matching bonus. Pag tinotal mo yan, aabot ng 39,000. Monthly income mo na yan. Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang din naman silang magbabayad ng kanilang subscription. Alright? Now, to show you that this is really happening, I want to show you yung actual earning of one of our coaches here. Okay? Pero before I show you that, mag-ano lang ako ng disclaimer. Ito, natanggap niya. Meaning, possible matanggap mo rin. Or even possible, mas malagpasan mo pa. Alright? So ito, pakita lang natin. I want you to put a particular attention dun sa matrix tsaka dun sa matching bonus. Yung difference nila. Nung June, ang matrix niya $1,300. Pero ang matching niya, $12,300. During that time, diamond na siya kasi may diamond pool ka na nakikita dyan, 5,900. Alright? Ito, another example. Yung matrix niya, 1,299. Pero yung matching niya, wow, ang laki, 44,810. Bakit? Kasi ang dami niyang direct. Ngayon, lahat yung direct niya, may kanya-kanyang mga matrix yan. Meaning, meron siyang matching sa lahat ng mga directs niya. Kaya umabot ng 44,000 yan. And since Crown Diamond na siya at this point, kasi tingnan nyo naman yung Diamond bonus pool, 24,000 na. Kaya dito talagang kaya mong kumita. Imagine, 70,000 na receive in 1 month. Kaya mong kumita ng millions dito. And monthly na po yan kasi monthly naman magbabayad ng mga members ng kani-kanilang mga subscription. Alright? Ganyan po kaganda yung matching bonus natin. Okay, I'll give you more example. Let's say, for example, you have 20 direct referrals. Tapos yung 20 direct referrals mo, unfortunately, hindi talaga nakapagpasali ng tao. Okay? Dumating yung time na puno yung matrix nila, each of them earning 2,047.50 in their matrix, may 50% ka. That's 1,023.75. 20 sila. So you get $20,475 monthly matching bonus from your 20 direct referrals. That's 1.1 million pesos. Monthly income na po yun. Ganun po kalaki ang matching bonus. Kung yan ang natatanggap mo monthly, definitely lahat ng pangarap mo natupad na. Di ba? Kasi buwan-buwan mong tatanggapin yan, 1.1 million. Okay, let's say for example, 30 directs naman yung ano, may 30 directs ka naman, pero yung 30 directs mo this time, ginawa yung business and each of them earning 6,000 na in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's 3,000. If 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income for you. 5 million pesos po yan. Month after month after month. Kung ganyan po yung kinikita mo buwan-buwan, hindi lang pangarap mo yung natupad mo, pangarap ng buong pamilya mo, natupad mo na rin. And just imagine how much your giving would be. Diba? If you're practicing a 10% tithing to your church, that's 500,000 monthly tithes you're giving to your church. Ang laking tulong po niyan sa inyong simbahan. Alright? Now, let's say for example, merong member na sali mo, kaso sinabi sa'yo, hindi ko gagawin yung business pagbibigyan lang kita. Sasali ako and I'll pay my subscription. Okay, if that happens, sabihin mo, okay, pero do yourself a favor, pati na rin ako, magpasok ka ng dalawang family member mo. Tinanong bakit? Is what will happen. Darating yung time, mapupunta yung mga matrix mo, ikaw, since bronze ka, ang kita mo sa matrix is 4,095.50. Diba? Ngayon, yung dalawang family member mo, they each will receive 2,047.50 kasi hindi naman sila magre-refer. Okay, and dalawa sila, that's $4,095. Eh may 50% ka pang matching bonus doon. That's another 2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, ang kikitain mo buwan-buwan is $10,238. Instead nakikita ka lang ng $2,047, magpasok ka lang ng dalawa, ituloy-tuloy mo yung subscription, hintayin mo mapuno yung mga matrix nyo, aabot ng 10,000 yung kikitain mo buwan-buwan. That's 500,000 pesos monthly income. Pag ito, in-advise mo at sinunod niya yung advice mo, matutuwa at matutuwa at matutuwa talaga ng todo yung kaibigan mong sinali mo rito. Alright. Dito sa DMW, Dreammaker Worldwide, mga dream makers nga tayo eh. Meron tayong vision. And our vision is 100 solid direct referrals. Now, what does that mean? Meaning, kung gusto mo maging diamond, kung gusto mo maging crown diamond, you have 100 direct referrals na gusto ring maging crown diamond. And since gusto nating lahat yan, darating yung time, lahat tayo diamond na. Unang-una, ikaw, magkakaroon ka ng earnings na 6,383.50 in your matrix since you're already a diamond. And since lahat yung 100 na kasama mo, diamond na rin, ganyan na rin yung matrix income nila. May 50% ka, that's 8,191.75. Alright? 100 sila. All of them diamonds. All of them earning in their matrix income. Magkano yung matching mo doon? That's $819,175 month after month after month. That's 45 million pesos po yan. Buwan-buwan nakikitain. Okay, this is a vision. This is a vision, meaning it will happen pero not in the near future. Siguro mga 10 years, 20 years, darating yung time lahat tayo talagang diamond na. Darating yung time lahat yung mga matrices natin talagang puno na. At darating yung time, yan na pong 45 million ang kinikita ng bawat isa sa atin month after month after month dun sa 50% matching bonus pa lang. Okay? Ganyan po kalaki yan. By this time, talagang you're not only blessing your family, you're not only blessing the people around you, you're blessing your church, your community. Lahat po ng malapit sa'yo, mabe-bless if that is your income. So the key here is to rank up, to be promoted to the higher position, to be promoted to become diamond. Kasi sino po makakatanggap ng matching bonus? Those who are referring people to the program. Kaya nga tayo, ang pinaka-suggestion namin dito or recommendation natin dito is to continuously refer people to the Live Good Affiliate Program. Okay, but if you want to make it simple, yung kininang pinakita kong get to and teach them to get to, Pampabilis lang po mapuno ng matrix yan. If you want to rank up, instead of just getting 2, you get 3. And then teach those 3 to get 3. Kasi ganito ang mangyayari sa team mo. You get 3, yung 3 kumuha ng 3, naging 9. Yung 9 kumuha ng tagatlo, 27, and then 81, 243, 729. On the 7th week pa lang po, provided na mangyari ito weekly at maging kultura na talaga sa organization nyo, na pag bagong sali, kukuha ng 3, umaabot na po ng 3,279 in your organization. That means you're already a diamond. Kasi ang requirement sa diamond, 2,500 lang. Diba? In fact, on the 10th week, crown diamond ka na kasi 88,000 members na po yung iyong team. Right? And on the 12th week, grabe, umaapaw na po yung matrix nyo. O sige, wag na natin gawing weekly to. 1 taon, umaapaw yung matrix mo. If you'll be able to do this and duplicate it ng tuloy-tuloy, ng consistent. See? Ganyan lang po talaga yung business natin. It's people helping people business. So once you're in already, be ready to help others. Okay? Okay, now to discuss further, ano pa yung mga other commission? We have the retail commission, 10 levels deep. Dito naman po, nakita nyo kanina may retail price tsaka members price, di ba? Ang gagawin lang doon, kukunin yung difference doon, tapos kukuha ng 50%, yun yung commission mo. Okay, sample, yung retail price is $20 for example, tapos yung members price is 10. Magkano yung difference doon? $10. Kukunin yung 50%, $5. That's your commission. Okay, and this is up to 10 levels deep pag napopromote ka. Ayan, para rin siya yung fast start. Up to, pag bronze ka, up to level 2, silver ka, up to levels 3 and 4, gold ka, up to levels 5 and 6, and so on. Meaning, darating yung point, hindi na ikaw yung nagbebenta, hindi na sa shop link mo na bumibili yung mga tao, yet pumapasok pa rin yung income sa'yo. Alright? Meron pa tayong isa, yung influencer bonus. Ano naman yan? Depende po. Parang ano yan, volume sales. Kasi sino ba yung mga influencer? Yan yung mga sikat na sa TikTok o kaya sa YouTube. May mga followers na sila. And if they get to make their followers buy from them do sa Live Good shop nila, this is what will happen. Pag yung retail shop sales mo umabot ng 2,500, yung 50% na ibibigay sa'yo, dadagdagan pa ng 10, making it 60. Pag umabot ng 5,000, 20% yung idadagdag, naging 70 na. And so on and so forth, hanggang sa umabot ng 50,000, whereby yung buong 100% matatanggap mo na. Kasi yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng 50%. So yung buong difference ng retail price tsaka members price, matatanggap mo na as commission because you are an influencer. Alright? Ngayon, ito po yung pinaka-inaasam-asam na income dito. Itong diamond bonus pool. Bakit? Ano po ba yan? The moment you are promoted as a diamond member here in Live Good, you get to enjoy profit sharing. What do I mean by profit sharing? Lahat po ng income ng company, whether from affiliate membership, from subscription, from product sales, lahat po. Lahat po nung kita niyan, pagsasama-samahin, tapos kukurot lang ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% na yan, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamonds on that current pay period. Okay, currently, we have over 80 diamonds. And I'm telling you, pag naging diamond ka po, ang pinaka-average na madadagdag sa income mo because of this diamond bonus pool, hindi bababa ng 300,000 pesos. And monthly na po yun. Kasi pataas lang din naman ng pataas ang kita ng Live Good. Alright? At huwag makontento dyan kasi meron pa tayong Crown Diamond bonus pool. Ang mga Crown Diamond po, may share na sila dun sa 2%. Meron pang additional na 0.5%. And currently, we have 2 Crown Diamonds. I'll give you an example. Let's say, for example, for this month, kumita si Live Good ng $10 million. Magkano yung 0.5% niyan? That's $50,000. Ilan sila naghahati? 2. Tag magkano sila? $25,000. And if that happens again and again, monthly po, monthly marireceive nila nilang dalawa yung $25,000. So, if you become a Crown Diamond, ngayon po, the Crown Diamond slot is very open. Dadalawa pa nga lang po sa buong mundo. Who knows? If you do the business, if you do it fast, ikaw na yung next. Bakit? Kasi po yung mga Diamond members na yan, yung mga Crown Diamond members na yan, they all started as affiliate member. Meaning we are on equal footing right now. I'm a club, I'm an affiliate member. They were once an affiliate member. They climb up to be a Diamond. They got promoted to be Crown Diamond. I also have the same opportunity, the same chance to become Crown Diamond myself. And so do you. All you need to do is become an affiliate member if you're not yet. Okay? Pero to give you additional reason why to join. Number one, we just officially launched. Isang taon pa lang po tayo, meaning we're still forming our foundation. Hindi pa po wala pa po tayo sa pioneering stage. All right? But look at the growth. 1 year of operation, umaabot na po tayo ng 1 million. I'm sure marireach natin yung 1 million anytime soon. Hindi po lalagpasan January, maaabot natin yan, 1 million members. And we just started. Number two, high quality products and very affordable prices. Yes, nakita nyo naman kanina yung ating mga certification, approval of GMP. High quality talaga yung products natin kasi hindi natin sinacrifice yan overpriced. Pero kinaya nating pababain yung mga presyo natin. Number three, marketing system tools and trainings. Yes, we have trainings. Every Monday po may local training tayo. Every Thursday, US time, meron tayong Thursday and Friday, US time, may international training tayo. And sa mga different teams po, they're also conducting different trainings which you can join. And this is another tool that you can actually use and abuse. Since bago pa kayo, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-present, dalhin nyo lang po dito, kami magpe-present, kami magko-close pero yung account sa inyo. Alright? Etong pinakamagandang rason, a simple, powerful, and very lucrative pay plan. In fact, it's very generous po. The company is giving away 85% of their income to the affiliate members. Ganun po ka-generous ang Live Good. And don't worry about them. Sa laki po ng kinikita ng Live Good, talagang yung 15% na natitira sa kanila, sobra-sobra pa po para sa company. Alright? Now, despite that all that's happening in Live Good over the past year, we are still at the tip of the iceberg. Nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Yung 960,000 members, wag po kayong mabighani diyan kasi simula pa lang 'yan. Definitely we will reach 200 million or even more. Kasi nga yung mga membership club na hindi naman nagbabayad sa kanilang affiliates or sa kanilang members, umaabot ng 200 million eh. Tayo pa, Live Good pa. Eh yung Live Good as a member, you get to enjoy. You get to enjoy not just the savings, you get to enjoy earnings as well. Okay? Kung hindi pa po kayo member ngayon, kung hindi pa kayo affiliate, I'm telling you, get back to the person who invited you or gave you this Zoom link. Ask for their sponsors link, mag-register na kayo, pay the $49.95 and become an affiliate member now. Kung member na kayo, don't forget to pay your subscription. Ang laki pong panghihinayang ang mangyayari sa inyo pag nakalimutan yung bayaran yung subscription. Just imagine. When we started in December 2022, nagkaroon ng vision si Ben Glinsky na magiging 1 million members tayo in 1 year. He missed it by about 2 weeks. Kasi most likely magiging 1 million members tayo by next week or itong coming week. Okay? By about a month or 2 weeks, na-miss niya lang ng konti. Pero na-reach niya. Now, he's making another projection. By the end of 2024, aabot tayo ng 3 million, 4 million members. Ang tanong, nasan ka? You're not a member yet, I'm telling you, become a member, position yourself kasi talagang maraming magandang mangyayari sa Livgood. However, the decision is yours and we'll leave it solely to you. But we'll give you option. Your option is letter A, for example, I'm in. So once you've decided that you're in, sige nga, yung mga I'm in dyan, lagay nyo nga sa chat box, I'm in, letter A. Alright? Pay your $9.95. Become an affiliate member now. Do live good and enjoy all the benefits that we are already enjoying. Or letter B, shop at member's price. Be a member for $9.95. $9.95 lang. Don't pay the $40. $9.95, you're already a member, you get to enjoy the savings. Okay? Or pwede rin naman yung option mo is letter C. No thanks, it's not for me. Okay lang. But we highly recommend for you to use the product. So again, go back to the person na nag-invite sa iyo dito, hingin mo naman yung shop link niya. At doon ka na lang bumili ng products at retail. Kasi napakaganda talaga sa katawan natin. Yung mga, sa health natin, napakaganda ng mga products. Alright? Now, to help you even more decide to join Live Good, I just want to show you this. I'm actually ending already, but I want to end with this. Maybe you can relate to this kasi. This can be you today. You're overworked, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or, pwede ring well-paid ka naman. Maganda yung kita mo. You're earning 200, 300,000 pesos monthly. Nga lang, wala kang time. Kasi napaka-demanding ng company. If your company is paying you that much, napakalaking demand sa iyo niyan, especially sa time. Or pwedeng OFW ka naman, you're away from your family, nangungulila ka sa pamilya mo, and you're sure na yung family mo nangungulila rin sa iyo. And ito yung tanong, if what awaits you when we retire? 'Di ba? When the time comes na wala ng income, paano na yung buhay natin? Now, I want you to imagine, if this is your situation right now, if you can relate to these struggles, I want you to imagine doing Live Good today. Where would you be in the coming years? I've seen people do Live Good last year and I've seen them achieved. I've seen them made their dreams come true. Ang daming cash buyer ng kotse. Grabe. Saan ka makakita? Cash buyer, kotse, paying 1 million 1.2 million in cash or even more kasi magagandang kotse rin yung binili ng iba. 'Di ba? So you definitely have more income than bills at each month. Yung dreams mo nga natutupad, bills pa, hindi mo na po problemahin yung bills. You'll have more time spent with your family and friends. Yes, kasi online na online tayo. And time will come talagang passive income na yung papasok sa'yo. You would have the time freedom. You would have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Again, time freedom, financial freedom. Pag alam mo na may papasok na pera sa'yo or income sa'yo, definitely hindi ka na stress, hindi ka na worried. And you would have a life without debt. Ang saya po ng pakiramdam ng taong walang utang. And just imagine, if you're without debt, ang laki ng magiging giving mo. Kasi wala ka ng stress eh. Many people would be blessed because you are blessed. Okay? And you can take vacation as often as you like. Now, I made you envision that. I made you imagine that. Kasi if you can put that in your mind, if you can have a vision of that in your mind, then just do Live Good. Why? Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And I've seen that happen to many affiliate members here in just a span of 1 year. Imagine, what if 3 years na tayo? What if 5 years na tayo? What if 10 years na tayo? Asan ang buhay mo? 'Di ba? Pero imaginein mo rin, paano kung hindi ka mag-join ngayon tapos 10 years na kaming affiliate, 10 years na kaming nag-e-enjoy dito? Asan ka? Asan kami? Sumabay ka na, di ba? Mag-affiliate member ka na rin. Okay? Now, ito, tapos na to. It ended last January.